Have a CPZ file from an e-learning development project? This is a project file from an interactive multimedia authoring platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and work with these Composica interactive project files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for CPZ problems. See below for my top choice. CPZ files are project files created by Composica, the web-based interactive multimedia and e-learning authoring platform. They contain interactive presentations, lessons and assessments with media assets, animation sequences, quiz elements, branching navigation, and SCORM compliance data for deployment to learning management systems. Composica CPZ project files use a compressed archive format containing XML project definitions, media assets, including images, audio, and video interaction, logic scripts, quiz, question data, and LMS integration metadata. The format packages all project resources for portable deployment and editing across Composica installations. Most installations default to associating Composica from Composica Limited with CPZ. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows provides only general information, while slide-level control requires dedicated tools. We need to test for compatibility. Right-click your CPZ file and choose Open With. If you have Composica, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. If your CPZ file will not open, do not worry. We're going to solve this with a universal tool. But first, what are the technical factors causing this CPZ error to appear? First, opening in Composica. Launch the Composica authoring environment and import the CPZ file using File then Open Project. The editor displays the project timeline with all slides, media elements, interactions, and quiz components. Navigate between slides using the storyboard panel and edit individual elements through the property inspector. Next, previewing interactive content. Use the preview function in Composica to test the interactive content in a web browser. The preview renders all animations, interactions, quiz logic, and navigation exactly as the end user will experience them. Test branching paths, scoring calculations, and completion tracking to verify the learning experience functions correctly. Finally, publishing for LMS. Export the CPZ project for deployment using the Publish function in Composica. Choose SCORM 1.2 or SCORM 2004 output for LMS integration or HTML5 standalone for web hosting. The published package contains all media and code needed for learner access through a learning management system or direct web browser viewing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.